So hi guys! Welcome to my channel! By the way, this is your Purita girl, Joem, and for today's video is I'm going to teach you on how to edit in Lightroom. And this preset was made by yours truly, and I will share this to you for free. So just watch the video until the end. Thank you!
What's left, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
So for the light, set the exposure to 0, contrast to positive 28, highlights to negative 64, shadows to positive 45, whites to negative 100, blacks to positive 40, and the curve just leave it as it is.
So for the color is set the temp into negative 14, tint into negative 15, vibrance into positive 53, saturation into negative 12.
No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
After adjusting, click the color mix.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So for the red, set the hue into negative 49, saturation into positive 94, luminance into negative 57,
And on we'll go.
and for the orange, set the hue into negative 3, saturation into negative 17, luminance into positive 17.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
For the yellow color, set the hue into negative 100, saturation into positive 46, and luminance into negative 18.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
So for the green color, set the hue into negative 100, saturation into positive 22, luminance into negative 41. So for the aqua, set the hue into positive 100 and saturation and luminance into 0. So for the blue color, set the hue into negative 45, saturation into negative 10, and luminance into negative 20.
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't
So violet, set hue and saturation into negative 100 and luminance to 0.
leading us.
So for pink, set the hue and saturation into negative 100, luminance into 0.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
For the effects, set the texture into positive 19, clarity to positive 8, the haze into positive 17, and leave the vignette into 0. Also the grain into 0. So for the speed toning highlight adjustment, highlights into 15 and saturation into 11.
Shadows adjustment, highlight 222 and saturation 41. For detail, sharpening into 7, ranges into 1.0, detail into 25, noise reduction into 21, detail 50, color noise reduction 61, detail 50, smoothness 50.
Going around these walls,
So after editing the picture, you can copy the settings or create it as a preset. So if you are going to copy the preset, you can paste it after in the another photo that you want to edit. So this is how it works. So thank you for watching our video. So please hit like and subscribe. And to be updated, just click the notification bell so that you will gonna be updated whenever we are going to upload. So bye. Thank you for watching. God bless.